Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing the virtual contest, the Biweekly Contest 86. I'm still in Antalya. Hopefully I'm saying that right, in Turkey. You see from my drone video, hopefully you enjoy it. And if you do enjoy it, at least follow me on Instagram or just hit the subscribe button on my daily videos. When I'm not too tired, I try to do a couple of videos to make people happy, and let me know if you're happy. If not, then you're like, why is Larry doing this? Well, then just skip like 20 seconds of every video or something like that. But yeah, anyway, okay, so Biweekly Contest 86, let's do it. My internet is kind of bad, so we'll see. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you did and all this other good stuff. I'm doing the virtual contest. I'm slowly scrolling down. What I'm doing from I'm doing from a bed lab, so like the setup is a little suboptimal. I have no pen and paper, so everything has to be in my mind. But yeah, I'm going to scroll down slowly so I don't see the problem names. So yeah, let's see. Okay. Okay, there we go. Am I ready? Are you ready? I guess so. All right. Let's have a countdown real quick. Let's do. Yeah, I should have start charging my batteries and then. Anyway, okay. Let's click on this. Let's say 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Hopefully my internet isn't too slow. It is a little bit slow, but okay, let's go, 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 go. All right, find several ways of equal sum of length 2. Oh, that two subarray of length 2. Okay, I mean that's weird, but okay. I mean, it is just implementing, even though typing on my lab is also a little bit trickier, but also, because this is not a live thing, I am talking while typing, which also obviously makes it just slightly slower. Let's see. True, false, true, true, false, true, submit. Good. Okay, strictly palindromic. If every base b between 2, okay, what is n? N is 10 to the 5th, so that'll be pretty fast. What would make it strictly palindromic? If base between that's weird. Between 2 and I don't know if there's anything weird about this. 3 is, let's say n is 3. Oh, n cannot be 3. Okay, 4, then it's not. 5, it's in base 2. What is 5 in base 3? And that'd be funny if it's just returned false for all of these. But what's 5 in base 3? Let's see. I'm just gonna Google it. 5 in base 3. I'm dumb. Of course, 5 in base 3 is just 12. So that's a force. 6 is I'm gonna do a for loop. So that's really weird. The string representation of n in base b. What does that mean by the string representation? Like, what if the base is bigger than 10? I guess it's just a for loop then, right? I mean, each number is 10 to the 5th. We just do a for loop. I don't know why I'm thinking so much. Okay. For I in range from 2 to n minus 2 plus 1. If not good of I, return false, return true. I think I overthought this one. I thought maybe there's a pattern finding one, but maybe I did the math wrong in my head, because each one can only have like 5 digits anyway. So yeah. Okay. So for this base, current is equal to n, while current is greater than 0. Current mod base Okay, return r is equal to r -1. Okay. I mean, force. I'm just curious what is true. Also, just a big number. Let's see how fast that runs. One's pretty fast, but I don't know. Let's give submit. I don't know what I should have done that one faster just because, well, it was brute force, but I think I thought it was n squared in my head for a little bit. Okay, so R times C matrix. Okay, columns. So we have to use columns. A row is covered if each cell in the row has a value of 1 lies in one of the column chosen. Return the max. So okay, so in 3 rows is select the 0th and the second column, and basically, okay, so basically all of them are okay. Let's see. I don't know the answer yet. I'm just typing it out. Okay, so this is, oh, I was gonna say maybe it's TP, but this is just 12. So that means, okay, okay, so, and columns has to be 12, so it's gonna be 12 choose columns, so that's just brute force, right? Can I do it brute force in a smarter way? Well, let's see. I mean, it's gonna be brute force. I'm just trying to think. Okay, so yeah, okay, so for each row in matrix, we rows is equal to rows dot append. Basically we want to do to binary of it or something, right? So just to how do I convert it to binary? Whatever. I just write your own function, Larry. Row, for x and row C00 C okay, and then now we binary we do it. Okay, so good index current, maybe something like that, and then we just good 0 of 0, right? And then all we have to do is good index plus 1, current or so either use it or don't, and then what are we doing? Max. Okay, best is equal to 0, say, and then here we go. If index is equal to r, then we do stuff and we return, and then at the end we return best. What are we doing? What is the stuff that we're doing? Well, it's 12 items, so we do for I mixed up one of these. I have to do cars as well. So cars left has to be exactly, or I guess you want to greedily do exactly anyway, so it doesn't matter, but and left is greater than equal to 0, left, and then this is left minus 1. If left minus 1 is greater than 0, we do this just to make it slightly better, and then now we go for r in rows. If current and r is equal to r, I think, then count increment by 1. If c is bigger than best, then non-local best is equal to c. I have to do it this way. Okay, I think this is okay. Implementation's a little bit slow, but I was talking a lot. That's my excuse. I'm sticking to it. Let's give it a submit. Oh no, maybe I misunderstood something. I also, honestly, during the contest I probably have tested a little bit more, but this one I'm just a little bit lazy. The answer, my output is 0, but the answer is 2. Why? Tell me why. Do. Tell me why. Is this C? Is this a C, isn't it? Tell me why I'm such an idiot. It's okay. Luckily, this is VC, right? Not a real one. But that's pretty sad, actually. Okay. Maximum number of robots within budget. You have n robots. You have zero index integer arrays, charge times, running times, both of length n. What does that mean? Okay, so n is just the length of these things. I robot cost to charge and cost to run. You're also given a budget. What is n? Okay, n is big enough that it is not like some brute force DP thing, but it's not like a naive one. Total cost of running k chosen robot. Let's go to max of them plus k times sum of the running costs. Okay. So return the maximum number of consecutive robots you can run such that the total cost. Okay. I feel like this is some sort of sorting algorithm. Budget is pretty big, but that's fine if it's sorting. If we sort, what do we want to sort by? Well, one of them is going to be prefix sum on the running count. Is it? We want to, so okay. So let's say we want one robot. What would be that robot, right? So maybe we can figure out how to sort by that. Is there an exchange argument? So let's say we want one robot, right? What's the cheapest for one robot? Well, one robot is going to be max charging time plus plus, so if we add one more, then the cost of it is going to be, what's the delta of it, right? Well, the delta is just the existing running costs plus the new running cost times k. So it's k minus 1, and then is there some way of doing a repeated sorting thing? It doesn't seem like we care about, actually that's not true. I guess charge time could be pretty big, but charge time, it's only 10 to the 5th, so can we abuse that? Okay, I see. Can we do binary search on the charge time? Because for a given charge time, we can sort everything, right? So that means that we can do a heap thing on the running costs and then just sort by charging time. Is that true? I don't know if that's quite the way to do it. But let's say we have max charging time. Okay. Let's say we have max charging time and then we greedily sort and then heap. Can I? Okay. So in that case, it will be binary search on charge time, which is 10 to the 5th, which is like less than 20. And then that we do a sort. Well, we do a thing and then a sort. Is that incremental? Or like, is it, because you can imagine that as charge time gets bigger, Does the running cost have to be bigger? I don't know. Okay. So I guess we can do some sort of charge time incremental thing. So basically we increase it by whatever. And then now we can do a heap to kick things out until it's cheap enough, right? Yeah, and then basically we keep a running heap of the running costs. We keep the min of that, and then as we increase charging time, we do stuff. Wow, are people done yet? Oh wow, a lot of people are done, and a lot of them don't have silly mistakes like I do. Okay, but I think that's right. Okay, so basically we want to sort by whatever. Right. So then we want to sort this by actually just this, right? I think this is good, maybe. Because basically I want the sorting time to be 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay. So then now what we do is what do we say? So what is the right or the good way to phrase it, right? I guess we could have done it another way, but that's fine. Okay. So that means that when we add it, let's see. Basically, the invariant we keep going, right? So okay. So current cost is equal to 0 or something like that, and then for charge time running cost, let's just say time and cost in items. What do we do? So well, max time is equal to 0 for now, and then running total is equal to 0 as well. So here we set max time is equal to max time and max time, whatever. I guess we just set to time because it's incremental anyway. So then now the current cost is equal to max time plus running total, while current cost. Okay, so here we also want to, let's say we have a heap, and then for that heap we add, do we want a min heap or the max heap? No, we want a max heap because we want to remove the most expensive stuff, right? And here we add max heap priest. Let me just rewrite it, max heap priest. So we want to add the cost, right, as a negative, and then the running total add costs. Okay, and then items maybe or count is equal to 0, and then we just count is increment by 1, right? So then the current cost is max time plus running total time count times running total, right? Okay, and then we push this thing in the heap after we considered it. Okay. Also, we just have the best for most answer. Unless I missed something, is it consecutive? I heard. What does consecutive means? Like, is this a subarray thing? Hopefully, I didn't misread that because consecutive just means really weird. When it's so not precise. Okay, okay. So then now, while current cost is greater than budget, then we do the C is equal to hip Q dot hip pop of H negative. So then now the running total, we minus this C, count we increment decrement by 1, And then now we have this thing. Okay, and then at the very end, the invariant is so best is equal to max of best and count, and then we just return count or best. Whoops. Hopefully this is. I think the idea is right. 3 and 0. Okay, let's give it a submit. Oh no, huh? I don't know if I expected this to write, but I was half expecting it. How are people doing? Okay. Okay, so I think this is 6, but it should be 4. Did I misunderstand the consecutive part? So we can choose any robots, right? And then the sum of the running costs. Okay. They don't explain what consecutive means, so I think they only explain. Okay, I think I misread this problem then. And also, that's really sad because the consecutive part is not really that emphasized. But okay, let's think about this again then. I misread this again. Okay. Yikes. I mean, this is just sliding windows then, right? Okay, fine. So for, let's say, oops, n is equal to length of charge times, and then for right in range of n, and then now we have to. This is actually much easier, to be honest, than the thing that I, or at least in terms of proving. Current max is. We want a mono Q, right? Yeah. So we want a mono Q. I have to prove this every time, to be honest. I always forget how to do the mono Q. But for the max, and then the running cost is just total currents total, and then left is equal to 0 maybe. Current sum is equal to 0. And then here for right, let's say current sum, we add it to the running costs, count increment by 1, as we say. And then now we have to get max is equal to Q of 0, I think, right? We have to do the max first. So then here, if this is the max, it's going to be the max going forward until this pops out. So while length of Q is greater than 0 and Q of -1 is less than, less than charge times of right, then Q dot pop right, and then otherwise and max is equal to this, and then now yeah, so then now cost is equal to count times, what's it called, max plus count times current sum. What is this? Running cost of right. That's not even. I don't know what happened here. Okay, and then here we do while cost is greater than budget. We move left, so current sum. We actually, this is very similar to the stuff that we actually already have, to be honest. Left increment by 1, and then while length Q is greater than 0 and Q sub 0 is equal to charge times of left, then Q dot pop left. Actually, this is just an if because we only remove 1, so don't remove more than 1, please. And then here, oops, after that we make sure here, and then we can do best is equal to max of best of count, same as before. I can't believe I'm, what the hell? I can't believe I misread this as well. Well, I kind of was thinking about it, but I didn't know what they meant a little bit, and somehow it worked for test cases. So, oh well. And I was a little bit sloppy on the thing. Why is the budget 0 or something? No. How can the oh well, if there's no items, does that work? Okay, fine. If count is equal to 0, we break, I guess. Okay. Was that supposed to be 6? Doesn't even tell you the answer. Okay, fine. That one is on me though. Hopefully that's it. Oh no. Did I misread this? I don't get how. Is this the same input that I failed the same one that I had before? Oh, because I had a thing, and then now because they didn't tell me the answer, I didn't check it. Oh man, wow. So the answer is 185. This is, I guess so. I mean, I believe them, but why am I doing 6? Print cost count. Did I not decrement? No, I did decrement. But I decrement. I think that to that. That's why. That was just sloppy because I added the if statement without really thinking about it. But yeah, I really needed the left before. So, yeah. That said, I wish they told me the answer, so then I would have debugged that as well. Hopefully now this is it. Come on, please. Okay, that was just a lot of silly mistakes. Maybe because I'm on vacation. But yeah, I can't believe I misread this though. But yeah, I mean, I think this 120 is a lie just because there's a lot of penalties. I have 4 penalties, which is actually really sad. But 25 minutes is okay. Maybe a little bit slow even for me. Well, I had which one did I do this? Why was this wrong again? I forgot. But I just misread Q4. So oh, what was my wrong answer again? Man, I'm really sloppy today. I mean, I'm on vacation mode. That's my excuse. Oh, because I mixed up R and C. And then this one, I was just, well, I misread one, and then the other 2 was definitely avoidable. Well, one of them was avoidable. The other one, I mean, if they had told me the answer, I would have fixed it. But that was just a silly mistake anyway. Also, but I should have tested it. I should have had a case where the answer is 0. No, I mean, this is the case where it's 0. I guess I just didn't have a case where the answer is 1. Huh. Would that have book in it? Like if I didn't have this? I don't know if I would have known to do it. I mean, you know, to be honest, because I thought there was an invariant. Maybe I just did it dumbly. Yeah, maybe I just didn't do it smartly. I thought that maybe there's a thing where it did it by itself, but I was a little sloppy. Anyway, that's all I have for this contest. Let me know what you think. Here you can see my face slightly better. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Remember, each farm will have his own video, so I'll see you then. Bye bye.